order, Mr. Romy? Mr. Romy Agabal? Ate Gloria? Ate Gloria? Ate Gloria Agabal, where's Mr. Romy?
Romy, ayun.
Oh, can you show the timer, please? Timer. Number 4. If a team exceeds the 8-minute time limit and cannot complete the task, we will record the last station they successfully completed to establish their ranking and points. So, pag nag 8 minutes na hindi pa kayo tapos, we're gonna freeze, okay? We're gonna freeze. Alright, number 5. Ranking will be determined by the time it takes for each team to complete the course. If a team fails to finish, their ranking will be decided according to how far they have progressed in the game. If there's a tie with 2 or more teams finishing at the same time or same station, the game master will choose a specific game to resolve the tie. Any question? Yeah, okay. Alright. We're gonna start with 2 peso, okay? Ready? Pag nagkalas, go back. Okay? Pag nagkalas, go back. Alright. Ready? Get set. Go! Stepping, you have to do it again. Mr. Romy, go na. You have to finish it. 3. If audience cannot help, it's the player who's gonna pick up the chinelas, the sleeper, okay? Okay, mas matigas na yung chinelas natin. Tumba. Hindi mo kailangan ibalik. Doon na lang siya. Okay, sabi nila pwede na. Basta matouch. Pwede na yan. Okay. Pwede na yan. Basta malipat siya. Pwede na yan. Okay. Oh, proceed. Oh, proceed.
Hello, ay
Oh,